Hello guys, welcome back to Amber Health and Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent remedy for cough and cold. As you all know, winter has started. There will be many of our kids are getting sick regularly. For that, this is the best remedy which I am going to share with you. For that, I am going to use here mustard oil, 1 teaspoon. As you all know guys, mustard oil has been an aged old ingredient for the treatment of cough and cold. Its heating properties helps to clearing the congestions from the respiratory tract. The second ingredient is ajwan, any carom seeds, which is rich in antioxidant and has numerous anti-inflammatory properties that will brings relief to our chest congestion and helps in dealing with cold and sinus. It's good for cough also. For that, here I am using 1 teaspoon full of ajwan in carom seeds. At last I am going to add here garlic cloves, which garlic is good to fight off common cold because it having antibacterial and antiviral properties. It is a good remedy for cold and flu. So here I am using for 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ajwan, and then 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. You can crush garlic nicely and put in the oil. See guys, I had crushed the garlic and I will put this thing in this. Now I am going to heat this oil and I will show you how I am going to do. See guys, you can see I have kept on the gas. Let it be boiled. I think I need to add 1 more teaspoon of oil. See guys how it is. Let the garlic will become brown or black in color. Let it boil until that. So all the power of garlic and juice will come in the oil and you will get the best. You can see how it is looking. You can see guys, garlic is changing its color. Now I am going to switch off the flame. See guys, our oil is ready. I will tell you now how you have to use this thing. Whenever you are using this oil, you have to make it hot and let it in the room temperature. It should be warm when you are applying this thing to your baby or for adults. You have to apply this on the palm, on the feet, back, chest. I have to apply gently. I will give you one more tip. Whenever you are applying this thing on your baby feet, you just apply it and put them socks. You can see the best result. Within 2 to 3 days, they will be perfectly alright guys. This is the thing which I am doing regularly for my kids. Kindly for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.